Good morning viewers. Atlantic region de ekta sobse khatarnak aro takra hurricane Melissa do October 28 de Jamaica de catastrophic landfall cruise. Hurricane Melissa do landfall grade destructive winds, torrential rain aro widespread flooding ahishe. Jamaica Meteorological Service hisab Hurricane Melissa do Westmoreland Parish laga New Hope usuri landfall kurasame wind speed to 185 miles per hour nahoilebi 295 km per hour aro minimum central pressure do 892 millibars tagishe. Hurricane Melissa do rapid intensification, strong winds, heavy rainfall aro slow movement combined kurabra extremely dangerous tagishe. Hurricane do Atlantic day as tropical wave shuru hushe aro mid-October 2025 di move kurigina Caribbean Sea di jaishe. Hurricane Day, October 21, 2025 Day, as Tropical Storm Melissa designate Krushe. Aro Jamaica Day, landfall nakura ake Category 5 strength punjishe. Hurricane ahasame korbishi biya kurigna gas kan uproot Krushe aro tangor power outage wade hazar upar mano electricity aro communication natagigna se. Hurricane ahagaran 15,000 mano shelters loise aro 5,40,000 nohoilibi 77% population do power natagigna se. Hurricane ahade sachun manu murishe idakla nohigna core rasta aro public infrastructure pishi biya kuritishe aro matikira aro rivers overflow huabra rural communities pishi cut off hoigna se ityasame emergency crews per search and rescue operation loise. World Meteorological Organization berchanai shigi Hurricane Melissa do Jamaica laga most intense storm ase aro itu laga effects to long lasting hobo. Jamaican Prime Minister bra disaster area Elan Grusharo authorities bra residents kanke continued flooding aro mati kira laga khatra taka nimide nijor ge hohai kuribole warn kurshe. Hurricane do Jamaica cross kura bijide slightly weakened hoigna Eastern Cuba aro Bahamas ticheshe.
Boss क्या बात है बॉस जोरदार है बॉस तूफान है बॉस क्या बात है बॉस क्या ठाक है बॉस बोलेरो बॉस